Hey guys, how are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. Friend, this is me Asya and welcome to my YouTube channel. Fashion Girly Hacks. Today I will show you in this video very attractive and so beautiful collection of low maintenance hairstyling with beautiful haircut, most demanding and eye-catching hair dye, and so stylish ideas of hairstyling in low maintenance for girls and women you see in this video. So I suggest and I humble request, please you watch this video till end. I hope you like it. Different ideas of haircut, some ideas layered, deep layered, some ideas step, undercut, and so beautiful ideas of choppy haircut, notching haircut, and many much more beautiful ideas of hair dye, blonde hair dye, burgundy hair dye, light brown, dark brown, and so beautiful collection of ash color, grey color, black color, and so beautiful ideas of highlights, blonde highlights, burgundy highlights, and very beautiful ideas of funky colors of highlights. Many much more beautiful ideas of hairstyling, choppy hairstyle, and spiky hairstyle, fine hairstyle, maybe curly hairstyling, and so beautiful ideas of messy hairstyle, and many much more beautiful collection of hairstyles. Mostly ideas of hairstylists, famous celebrity hairstyle ideas. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice. Very sweet and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. If you're new or any other thing on my channel, please share your ideas with me. I will become with new trends according to your ideas, so you must share with me. I will wait. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I will write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.